Thutha wa gũtĩrĩrio kwa ihinda rĩa ciumia 2 mĩcemanio ya riboti ya BBI nĩ ĩtanyitwo gucokereria muthia-ini wa kiumia giki. Gũkũ kaunti ya Narok ĩgĩtanywo kũnyita ũgeni makiri ma atongoria na muingi kuuma ituri itiganĩte cia bũrũri. Muthenya wa ira mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nĩ aratabanirie mucemanio na atongoria kuuma kaunti cia ukabi mbere ya mucemanio ũyũ, kuria arahiũkire kuhorohia mirũgamo mirũrũ gatagati ka atongoria gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra mucemanio nĩ ũgakinyanĩra hatarĩ mũhingo wothe.
As much as we can have divergent views, but we have common issues which affect all the across the different counties. All is set for Saturday the 22nd, first starting with the delegate conference on 21st. And even though there were small functions and little differences, because I know that may be of interest, we have harmonized our secretariat. We have set a joint secretariat. The CS will coordinate the secretariat so that we have a document that will be presented to the delegates on Friday and to the country on Saturday that will be representative of the position of the Maa Nation.
And we say that we want to change course going forward. We don't want to move the way we have moved for the last 56 years. Because I mentioned to them that if we don't do so, another 50 years we will still be where we are here today.
Mucemanio ũyũ ũgatabanĩrio kaunti-inĩ ya Narok mũthenya wa Juma yũkĩte. Gũkũ mucemanio wa anyiti itemi matiganĩte ũharĩirio mũthenya wa gatano nĩguo kũharĩria maũndũ marĩa atongoria ya makendekithia.
It's going to be a historic occasion where the Maa community are going to be talking about their BBI and issues that affect their community, focusing forward. As you know, that the BBI is intended to look at issues which have dragged on with our country and which has made it difficult, if not impossible, for Kenya to realize its potential.
Every region has concerns they consider as historical injustices, areas they consider require addressing either through the law or possibly the constitution if need be. And today we have had a conversation under his chairmanship and agreed on how we are going to do the Narok rally.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Jisagoma Wagunya.